Hello, today I'm in Subaru Legacy. In this video I'll show you how to use cruise control. In the beginning, let's accelerate to desired speed and then press the cruise button. You can see that cruise control is enabled by cruise name in the cruise word in the instrument cluster display. Now when cruise control is enabled and you've reached your desired speed, tilt this button to set. Now you can leave the acceleration pedal go. To increase the speed, press res plus button. To decrease it, press set minus button. To pause cruise control, press cancel. To start it over, again press set. To disable cruise control, press cruise button. And now the cruise control is disabled. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.